Hello and welcome. Today I'll explore the essentials of understanding debt and credit, inspired by the guide Personal Finance for Beginners by Zabi Aslamzada. The author shares straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing and building wealth, all aimed at achieving financial freedom. In this video I will cover 1. Types of debt, good versus bad debt. 2. How credit scores work. 3. Strategies for paying down debt. 4. Avoiding common debt traps. 5. Building and maintaining good credit. Before we begin, please like, comment, share, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on upcoming videos. These are designed to help you achieve your personal financial goals, build wealth, and lead a fulfilling life. Now, let's dive in. Understanding debt and credit. Not all debt are bad. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, can help you build wealth, while bad debt, such as high-interest credit cards, can hold you back. Your credit score is a key to financial opportunities, so it's important to understand how it's calculated and check yours regularly. When paying down debt, consider the snowball method, paying off smallest debts first, versus the avalanche method, tackling highest interest rates. Choose the strategy that keeps you motivated. Be cautious of debt traps like payday loans or buy now, pay later schemes. Building credit involves paying your bills on time and keeping balances low. With smart strategies, you can turn debt from a burden into a tool for wealth. Types of debt, good versus bad debt. It's vital to differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt helps you generate income or appreciate over time. For example, a student loan can lead to higher earning potential and better job opportunities. Similarly, a mortgage typically allows homeowners to build equity over time. Bad debt, however, involves borrowing for non-essential items that don't provide long-term benefits. Credit card debt is a prime example, especially when it's accrued from purchasing items that depreciate quickly, like gadgets or luxury clothing. High-interest credit card balances can spiral out of control, making it difficult to pay off the principal amount. Personal loans for vacations or luxury vehicles can also lead to financial strain. Ultimately, the impact of debt on your financial well-being depends on its purpose and management. Good debt can serve as a stepping stone towards financial security, while bad debt can trap individuals in a cycle of payments that undermine stability. By making informed choices and prioritizing good debt, you can work towards a healthier financial future. How credit scores work. Understanding credit scores is essential for effective personal finance management. A credit score is a three-digit number, typically ranging from 300 to 850, that lenders use to assess creditworthiness. Several key factors influence this score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and new credit inquiries. Timely payments on bills and loans boost your score, showcasing your reliability as a borrower. In contrast, missed payments can lead to a substantial drop in your score, complicating future loan opportunities. Credit utilization is crucial in determining your score and represents the percentage of your total available credit that you are using. Ideally, keep this ratio below 30%. For instance, if you have a credit limit of $10,000 and use $2,500, your utilization is 25%, which is favorable. However, maxing out your cards can hurt your score and signal to lenders that you may be over-reliant on credit. By focusing on good debt, and understanding the intricacies of credit scores, you can create a solid foundation for your financial future and open up opportunities for wealth building. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with friends and family. By the way, please check these guides by the same author, Zabi Aslamzada, that are available on Amazon. Personal Finance for Beginners, your essential roadmap to financial freedom, offering straightforward strategies for budgeting, investing, and building wealth. 10 powerful yoga styles to enhance health, boost vitality, and support longevity. Transform your life. The ultimate meditation, journey to inner peace and empowerment. The path to wellness. Yoga and meditation as foundations for health and longevity. These guides are designed to provide valuable insights and practical tools for anyone looking to enrich their life through yoga and meditation. See you in the next episode.